Minecraft 1.21.4 pre-release 1 brought us Resource Pack version 46 along with some data pack fixes. My name is Slime and this is a video about all the changes. Let's do a quick dive through the data pack changes before we head into the Resource Pack news. Spawn eggs now also get a warning text if they have data that could lead to op-only command execution, just like block entities like signs in previous snapshots. And a number of problems with entities and block entities not reacting to the data remove command have been fixed, including removing the owner of a tamed animal, removing the leash from a leashed mob, removing the disc from a jukebox, and removing the custom name of a mob. In Resource Pack news, more follow-ups for the new item model system. The root level item data now has another field in addition to the model one. Hand animation on swap, which determines if the hand animation should play when swapping to this item. There's a new tin source in this version, the team tin source. It returns the color of the team of the context entity, if any. The only field for this is a default field. The special model type head has a new field, animation. This is a float that describes where in the animation the item should be for an animated head like a dragon or piglin model. The default is 0. There's a new boolean property as well. View entity. It returns true when the context entity is an entity connected to the camera, like when you are playing normally or spectating an entity. It returns false when there is no context entity, when in spectator mode and not spectating anything, or when the context entity is any other entity than the one connected to the camera. A new string property called context dimension has been added, which gives the namespace ID of the dimension in context, if any. The holder type property has been renamed to context entity type. This is to highlight that the context entity is meant for certain situations, and that there are cases where no context entity is available. The time numeric property has changed. The natural only field has been removed, and instead there's a new source field that can be one of daytime for returning the time of day, moon phase for returning the phase of the moon, or random for returning a random value. The compass numeric property has also been changed, with a new option for the target field, none, which always returns an invalid target. And finally, there's a new model type, Minecraft:empty, which renders nothing and has no fields. The Unifont library for the Unicode font used by the game has been upgraded to 16.0.0.1. This includes a whole lot of new glyphs for various languages as well as new symbols from the Unicode 16 set, including a whole lot of symbols for Legacy Computing Supplement. I'll leave a link in the video description to the whole Unifont changelog. And that's it for this Resource Pack version. Thank you for watching. My name is Slime, and I'll see you next time.